Hello traders, good evening. First, today we will discuss about the today's prediction review. Then we will discuss about the tomorrow's prediction. So today you would have seen the market as per our prediction. One trade went exactly as per our prediction, and the other trade it hit the stop loss. Actually, it is a part of game, and every time we cannot be right, and every time we cannot be wrong. Also, we are not wrong. Also, so what happened in the morning, as we discussed yesterday, I told that it is a descending CPR. So definitely, I'm expecting only the selling side. I am not expecting the buying side unless otherwise it crosses the virgin CPR of 19th January. Yes. So, and we discussed that first trading opportunity will be below this TC, below the, BC, today CPR bottom line. And I told that definitely the market will come and retest this weekly S1. Weekly S1 is the target for the first expectation. And exactly the market came and it touched the weekly S1. And I told, we were discussed yesterday that, and sometimes the market may jump from here and it may go up, but it doesn't happen. But it there was a recovery. There was a recovery from here, or we can say that little. That means okay. It little bit it recovered. Then again the market broken this weekly S1. And what was the second opportunity? I told that when it break daily S1 and the PDL, we can go for the entry here, and we can go and we will wait up to S2. But this trade didn't work out, and this hit our stop loss here. Somewhere here I have given. So we will see the table. And one trade is as per our the expectation, and one trade it got the stop loss. So totally we are not in the loss. We are not in the loss. We are a little profit, some 500 rupees profit only. Okay. So this is what the today's trade. And today it was the weekly expiry. So we cannot expect the very that means one side movement anywhere, because the market started here. Again, it end in the same place only for this because of this option prices. Okay, we will see about the tomorrow's prediction. What I'm expecting. So by this time, you will be very clear that what we are going to discuss. This is the today's CPR, and tomorrow this is the CPR. So what is this? This is the descending CPR. And if we observe one thing, the CPR range is getting narrow and narrow. Here you can see that the CPR range, and yesterday the CPR range, and today the CPR range, and tomorrow this is the CPR range. And you can see the range, it's starting from 37,976 and 89. It is only around 13 points or 20 points only. What it indicates, the market is waiting for some big movement. Big movement is waiting, whether it is going to break up or it is going to break down. It is not, nobody can predict that, but the market is going to move either one side. That is damn sure. But what, as per the rule, what we can suggest that it is a descending CPR. So we are expecting only the selling side, or we are expecting only the shorting opportunity. So what is the shorting opportunity that we can expect? As yesterday we discussed that if the market opens here, market will go and face the resistance in the CPR, and here there is a S1, there is a weekly S1. So the market will face the resistance and it may come down. When it is coming down, we can take the short here for the target of the daily S1, for the target of daily S1, where we can keep the stop loss. Stop loss has to be kept at least some year. That means here we should keep the stop loss. We should give some room. Here we can keep the stop loss. 1 minute, I am drawing just above this, the swing high. Okay, here we can keep the stop loss. This is the first trade, that opportunity, that what I can suggest you. What is that? I repeat, if the market opens somewhere here between the CPR and the daily S1 and the PDR, the market will go and face the resistance here. And what is the other opportunity that we can see? That means other thing that what it can happen. Suppose if the market open here and it is coming down, then what happen? It may take the support here and it may go up. And we are not going for buying here. We are not going for buying here. Okay. Yesterday also I told that when the market take the support at weekly S1 and it may retrace little, but we are not going for the buying opportunity. We are not going for the buying opportunity. Why? Because it is a descending CPR, descending CPR. In the descending CPR, unless otherwise the market breaks R1 and the PDH, we are not thinking of buying. We are not thinking of buying. Once it crosses, then we can think of buying. Unless otherwise, we think only for the shorting opportunity. Okay. So for tomorrow, what is the first opportunity? First opportunity is, suppose if the market opens here, it faces the resistance, we can take the trade here, we can keep the stop loss here, and for the target of S1. Okay, what is the second opportunity? Second opportunity, if the market opens somewhere here, and if it is breaking S1 and PDL, S1 and PDL, we no need to take immediately here. Let it retest. Let it retest here. And when it is coming again, we can take the trade here. We can take the trade here. We can keep the stop loss just above the S1 and the PDL. For the S2 is the target. So here the RR ratio is going to be 1:2. Because here the risk is going to be very small, but the reward is going to be very high. But what we need to do, we need to wait for the retesting. Suppose if the market is open, it is going up, it is coming down, it is breaking. Don't jump. So let it retest. Let it retest. Then when it is coming down, you can go for short here, so that your stop loss is going to be minimum and your reward is going to be high. This is the second opportunity that I can suggest you. That I can suggest you. Okay. What is the third opportunity? What is the third opportunity? If the market open above the CPR or even below the CPR, here somewhere it open, it doesn't come down. If it broken, excuse me, weekly S1 and the CPR, then what will happen? This will act as a support. This will act as a support. Now we are not going for long. We are not going for long. Let it break here. Let it break here. So if we are going for the shorting opportunity, I'll tell you. So it will take the support, and when it is going here, it faces the resistance. It faces the resistance. So when it is facing the resistance, when it is coming down, you can go for short, and you can keep the stop loss here for the target of weekly S1 again. This is the third shorting opportunity. Third shorting opportunity. When if the market opens somewhere here or here, it will take the support here, and the market will go and test the PDH and the R1. And when it is coming down, you can take the short. You can keep the stop loss over for the target of weekly S1. This is the third shorting opportunity. Why I am talking about only the shorting opportunity? Because I told that it is a descending CPR. When we expect the buying, once it is breaking the R1 and the PDH, then we are ready for buying. We are ready for buying. But still, there is another issue. What is the another issue? Yesterday, we discussed that on 19th, there is a virgin CPR. That is why I made it into blue color here. When suppose if the market crosses the PDH and R1, immediately there is a resistance. There is a resistance. What is this resistance? This resistance is a virgin CPR. As we told that whenever the market, the candles are approaching the virgin CPR, it will repel this candle. It will repel this candle. That means it will face a huge resistance here. Huge resistance. So as I told that as long as the market break PDH and R1, we are not thinking of buying or we are not going for long. But still, if it is break also, we are not thinking of long. Why? Immediately it has the resistance of the virgin CPR of 19. So when we can buy, we can buy only it crosses the virgin CPR and above R2 only. I suggest that you can go for long. You can go for long. See, if you would have seen my previous video, 17th or 18th video, I told that after R2, we will wait only for the reversal trade. But I am saying it is after R2, we can go for the long. Why? Because this virgin CPR will act as a huge support when it crosses the R2. When it crosses the R2, what happened? The R2 also will become a support. This virgin CPR also will become a support. Then you can go for a long for 1:1 ratio. You can keep the stop loss here somewhere or here. It is depend on the appetite of your risk appetite. You can keep it here and you can go for 1:1 is the ratio. This is only the buying opportunity that I will suggest. Otherwise, I will suggest only for the shorting opportunity. Why? Because the Nifty is trading very low. From the bank Nifty is somewhat it is okay, because today also the Nifty fell for so much points and later it recovered. So we can recap. First opportunity, the market opens, it faces the resistance. Here we take the first shorting for the target of S1. Second opportunity, suppose if the market open here, it break S1 and PDL, we are not taking here. Let it retest. Then again it is coming down. Here you take the short, keep a stop loss for the S2. This is the second opportunity. What is the third opportunity? If the market opens here, it breaks CPR and S1, weekly S1, or sometimes if it is opening here and it will face the resistance in the R1 and the PDH, there you can take the third shorting opportunity. What is the buying opportunity? If the market crosses here, then if it crosses the that means virgin CPR, if it stays above the R2, then you can go for the long, keep a stop loss for the 1:1 ratio. So I will suggest 3 shorting opportunity and 1 buying opportunity. And I again I'm saying that we are discussing every day in the evening, but nobody knows in the night what is going to happen in the US market and the whole that means in the global market. So tomorrow morning anything may happen, but as far as today, it is the shorting opportunity only. And as I told that initially, it is the CPR range is getting very narrow. It means that the market is preparing for some big movement. Everyone, we know that there is a budget on February 1st. So till then the market will be like this only. After February 1st, it may move any side, either to it may break out or it may break down. But as far as now it is concerned that the market is preparing for some big movement. Okay. Let us review the today's trade, and I will give the tomorrow's table. So this is the table for today. You can see it here. One, that shorting opportunity, it was triggered, and we got 2,500 rupees profit. And one shorting opportunity, it hit the stop loss, and we are getting 2,000 rupees loss. So totally we are in 500 rupees profit. So as we discussed, one trade went with our favor plus 2,500. One trade went against our prediction, 2,000 rupees loss. So totally we got 500 rupees profit. So we will see what is tomorrow. So tomorrow we discussed about the 3 shorting opportunity and 1 buying opportunity. You can see it here. The first shorting opportunity is going to be below CPR-TC for the target of yesterday's swing low. So this is the first one, entry, target and the stop loss. Second shorting opportunity is below S1 and the PDL. When it crosses the, or when it break the S1 and the PDL, we can go for the target of S2. Here you can see that there is 100 point is the stop loss, but whereas you get around 180 points or 190 points as a target. So here the RR ratio is going to be high. And the third shorting opportunity, resistance from the R1 PDH, and we can take the short for the target of weekly S1. So here also 450 we are shorting, and 150 point is the target, and 125 points is the stop loss. Only buying opportunity, just that means above the PDH, it has to cross PDH, it has to cross R1, 19th January within CPR, then only we can go for, it is not the R2. It is not the R2. Okay, we will see the value. It is it has to cross everything, then only we can go for the trade for buying at 38550, and the target and the stop loss is for 110 points. 110 points. So this is regarding the 21st. It is not 20, it is 21st prediction. 21st prediction. Let us see tomorrow. We will review on tomorrow. We will see that how it is going to work out. Thank you. We will see you tomorrow.